Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tilly Cooks, and today we are making a simple avocado toast recipe. Now we're going to use some onions, some tomatoes, 2 hard-boiled eggs, and some avocados. Now you know avocado is in season, so why not share a recipe with you that would change the way you eat your avocados. So you're going to mash the eggs, the hard-boiled eggs, into pieces using a fork. Then you're going to get some ripe avocados and slice them open. Remove the seed, or what they call the pits, out, and then scoop the flesh into the bowl and mix it with the eggs. Now make sure you mix it thoroughly, like combine it thoroughly, and ensure everything has been well mixed together. Then we are going to sprinkle in a bit of lime juice, and this would help prevent the avocado from discoloring, becoming brown. Then we'll go in and add our onions and our tomatoes, and we are still going to give it a good stir. Now we'll proceed to add some sardine. So you can tell that this is a rich combination because it has a bit of everything in there. So we'll give this a good mix as well, ensure everything has been combined, and we'll proceed to add a pinch of black pepper, to give it some heat. Add some salt to taste, a pinch of salt to taste, and then mix it all together till you reach your desired texture or consistency. That's up to you. You can taste it and then adjust the salt and the pepper if need be. Now we're going to grab a loaf of bread, slice it up into good sizes, and then we're going to scoop our avocado mixture into the bread. We're going to do this for all the slices of bread we have available. Now you can decide to toast it. If you have a toaster at home, you can use that, or you can use the traditional way, a normal fry pan. So for me, I prefer to use the fry pan. So we're going to put in some butter and then add the slice of bread in there and toast it till it's golden brown, and then we are going to take it out. So that's what we're going to do for all the slices of bread we have. Guys, this is a very simple recipe you can try. It's not difficult. These are ingredients you can find around and then elevate your breakfast game. It doesn't always have to be raw bread, and just normal avocados. This recipe would blow your mind. Taste it, try it, and then let me know if it works for you. So I'm going to cut this into 2 so you see how it looks on the inside. It's just perfect. When you try this and you see how good it tastes, you definitely want to have more. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and thank you for sticking around with Tilly Cooks, and I'll definitely see you in my next video. Until then, it's bye for now.